What's up, my kings and queens? Summer is finally here, and in my Never Full bag, these are things that I cannot live without for the summer to keep me cool. Number one, in no particular order, would definitely be water. Water keeps you hydrated, so make sure you guys drink up. Whew. Number two, shades. I mean, it be so bright outside. You don't want to hurt your eye cornea, you know what I'm saying? So put some shades in your bag. You will thank me later. And you can take out the hot box on the beach. Number three, sunscreen. Because I am dark skinned, I like the sunscreen to be 100 plus. I'm not playing with the sun this year, okay? Don't get it twisted. Black people do burn. We burn, people. I know. Unbelievable, but we do burn. Number four, hydrating mist. You are sweating, you look a little sticky and down, like you've been outside all day and just icky. Spray some hydrating mist on your face, okay? It will brighten your face up. It'll take away the oil and the moisture. So spray it up.
Just spray it around your whole face like this and y'all be good.
And number five, last but not least, that you should have in your bag this summer is none other than a fan. Whew. I got this from Five Below for $1. Okay, this is gonna keep my face from sweating at least. So that's it. I hope you guys take my advice, get all these things, put it in your bag if you have not yet done so. Your girl Dom. See you next time. Bye. I think we're done. I think that's a wrap. Put some right here. Some water. You know how they have the white guys do it? Like, they go like this and they put it on their nose. Ooh, that's cold. Whoop, that was too fast. A fan, like, hi babes. I just don't want to darken my nose, you know. What the hell? Okay, wrong way.